Do you keep personal apps or file in such secure folder but still see those apps showing up when you share something like from your gallery or files app? Let's fix that and keep your private stuff truly private. In this video, I will show you how to hide secure folder apps from the share panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It only takes a few taps and you will have full control over your privacy. To do so, go to the app screen and open secure folder. Enter your screen lock. Tap the three dot, then tap setting, tap other security setting, and then turn off show secure folder apps in share panel. When this option is off, your phone will hide your secure folder app when sharing files. So when you use the share panel, none of your private apps will appear. However, if you ever want to make them show again, just come back here and turn the SIM switch on. And that's it. Disabling this feature keeps your secure folder content completely separate and adds an extra layer of privacy when sharing photos, documents, or links. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.